Hey everybody, I'm Maggie from Hand2Mind, and this is our 5th grade Teach at Home math video series. Today we are working on week 12, day 2, and we are going to be reviewing the coordinate plane. And we also are going to be reviewing ordered pairs. This is a review from a few weeks ago, so I hope you're ready and excited to get started. Let's go!
Hey there, and thanks again for joining me on today's lesson, a review of coordinate grid and points. Our first problem says Seth wants to set up an obstacle course in his backyard. He wants to put cones at 4 corners to make a rectangle. He makes a grid to mark the course. He marks the ordered pairs 0, 3, 6, 3, and 6, 6. At which ordered pair should the 4th cone be placed? So in order to help us today, we are going to go to our Braining Camp website and use the GeoBoard. Or you might have one of our GeoBoards at home that you can use as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to set up our XY coordinate grid. If you remember from previous weeks, we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. These create our XY coordinate grid. Our horizontal line, or the one going along the bottom, is our x-axis, and the vertical line is our y-axis. Also to review, when we have an ordered pair, we have the point is located at x, comma, y, meaning we always start at the origin, or 0, 0, and we go to the right some number and then up some number, since we're working in the first quadrant. So let's go ahead and plot the points that Seth is using for his obstacle course. So starting at the origin, the first point is located at 0, 3. So we have 0 to the right, but then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Our next point is located at 6, 3. So we start at the origin, we go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we go up 1, 2, 3. Our next point is located at 6, 6. So start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here are the 3 cones that Seth has placed so far. We know that he wants the figure to be a rectangle. So one characteristic we should remember about a rectangle is that the left and the right sides are going to be congruent or equal, and the top and the bottom are going to be congruent or equal. So if I draw a line connecting our 2 cones, I can see that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long. So this top side needs to be 6 units long. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The right side, when we connect them, are 1, 2, 3 units and 1, 2, 3 units. So we know that the last cone needs to be placed at this point, which is to the right none, so 0, comma, and then we move up the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our final cone needs to be placed at the point 0, 6. So we're going to complete the sentence. Number 1 says the y-axis is the blank number line on a coordinate plane. So to remember, we have our x and y axis, and again x and y. So our y-axis is our vertical number line. And we can see that vertical is listed in our word bank at the bottom. The x-axis is the blank number line on a coordinate plane. And we can see that that runs right here, which is the horizontal number line. In an ordered pair, the blank number is called the y-coordinate. So if you remember, when we have our ordered pairs, it is always x, comma, y. So our y-coordinate is located or comes second. And in ordered pair, the blank number is called the x-coordinate. And if you notice, our x-coordinate always comes first. Our next one says to plot the points on the coordinate grid. So point A is located at 7, 9. So again, we always start at the origin, or 0, 0. We go to the right 7, and then we go up 9. And we put our point A right there. For the next one, for B, we're going to again start at the origin, go to the right 4, and then up 1. And this is point B. Finally, we have point C. We start at the origin, we go to the right 0, and then up 5. And this is our point C. So remember, when we are plotting points, we always look at our x and our y axis, and our ordered pairs are always x, then y. Again, we start at the origin, we go to the right, and then we go up to find the location of our point. Thank you so much for joining me today on this review of our coordinate grid and points. For more resources, check out our website at hand2mindathome.com.